Hello, my name is Bobby Astari.
Hi, my name is Asitul Malik.
Hello, my name is Jonathan Mendez.
Hi, my name is Natasha Lynn.
Hey, I'm Alan Schumann.
Hi, my name is Ivan Duffy.
Hi, my name is Sergio Vassallo.
2018 at Lobster Bar has been amazing. It was our first official full year open and business has been amazing. We've had such a beautiful time creating this family that we have as a business, as a company, and as a team. So I couldn't be more excited for what's to come.
My family to yours. Happy New Year. Cheers.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy New Year's.
From our family to yours. Cheers.